Okay, this is a teleporting line. Okay, you can only see the small clusters along the line that keep pushing the orbs counterclockwise to the left of the screen. But the orbs in between, you can't see, and these are tiny. Okay, these are tiny. They're along an antenna of sorts. It's attached, maybe not attached to the electrical cable. I don't know. Let's see. No, it's an antenna that's attached to the roof. Okay, so this is on top of an antenna. Okay. So you can't see the orbs in between. You can only see the clusters. They move so fast and these are small. And it's very hard to see the ones in between. There's more on here. And that's one cluster right there. And that's attached to the base, and this one's attached to the corner. There's one down here too. That's right above the power line, that one. They're always around power lines. Here, this one just changed. It just changed in shape. I don't know if I got that on film, but it just changed in shape.